That's grasshoppers. Come here. It's grasshoppers. Check it out what we got in the garage.
What? Aw, Dad. Really? You're so sneaky.
Oh my god.
Look at the garage.
Oh my god. I got tears in my eyes. She's so pretty.
What is that thing? That's a race car. That's not a race car.
It looks like a race car.
Oh my god.
That's a Volkswagen.
Oh my gosh, Dad.
It's so nice.
That's Blake's car.
That's my new car.
Oh wow. That is nice.
And there's what's it right here?
Oh, this is your seat?
Your seat's in the back.
Your seat's back here. Let me open it. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
If it's in
Where is your seat? Car seat?
Where's your seat? Like,
It's in the other car. We're just looking at it.
Oh.
It's all dark in
Look
there.
at the seats.
Leather.
That is nice. Thank you.
And they're
Dad.
heated.
Mommy, Oh my
This is
god.
really
German engineering.
I love it. We're German, so it's okay. Oh.
I'm Italian. What the heck are you talking about?
Yeah, German. Man, Vanessa,
It's really nice.
It's good in there?
smells good. What is this?
Stay with you? Okay, yeah, okay then.
You can sit in there. It's comfortable everywhere. I tried it all out.
Move up.
You sit in every
These
seat.
are so soft and it's like heated.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's got everything. The seats are heated and all that mess, and
Dad, it has a screen. One of those screens.
It has screen.
it's got a backup camera.
Oh
It's got a big screen. I like that. Like the clock is like a
You'll,
Like my cheeks hurt. I'm smiling.
you'll figure it all out.
record.
You can go and get a tour of it if you want to. Like get a tour of it. They'll
Okay.
show you every button.
Yeah, definitely.
But we got all the books and everything.
Oh my goodness. You didn't know this was in here, sir?
I've been here all day. I haven't been walking out. I've been in
That's
Blake's room.
funny.
I've been in Blake's room.
Aw.
What do you mean that's funny? I've been.
No, I think it's cool that you didn't know either. Okay, let me sit here. Can I sit here? Or you want to sit there?
You gonna sit, Blake?
Have a sit. Let me sit first.
It had 11 miles on it.
How many? 11?
11. Had
11 miles.
11 miles on it.
Less miles ever driven.
11 miles.
11 miles.
Help him with the door.
Back up.
It says start engine. Stop engine? What's that mean?
You push the button to start the engine. I'll show you all that mess. I don't have the key here. The key's inside.
Okay, come on. Sit down.
Wow.
This is your new car, Blake. It's so roomy back here.
Let me sit.
Okay.
It's so roomy back here.
It is.
It's roomy.
You can even sit.
We'll pop the trunk and we'll come out after dinner. We'll do the tour.
Looks good, Dad. Oh my god.
We'll turn on more lights so we can see something.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so.
This is so nice. I love it.
So go sell the other piece of garbage.
Alright.
Now we can go sell it tonight because you were like, I want the
She wanted it tonight, and I was like, I still got my insurance on it and all that stuff. I don't really feel comfortable with that kind of thing.
No, you need to get the money and then you need to go sign it over. It's real simple.
Getting all skinny on it.
Oh my god. It even has the blinkers, like the.
It's got everything.
Wow. I have a headache. I'm like bursting. It's so like. It's not like a.
That's your new ride, Blake.
But it's.
Yeah, this is my own car.
This is your new car.
Yeah.
Well, I can have this until I'm like 50.
That's your new car.
2000, whatever, 15? 11 miles on it?
That's your new car.
11 miles.
Yeah, 11 miles on it. All right, let's go eat dinner because I'm hungry.